Now, the next little thing that's well worth considering on your template file is the construction of walls, roof, ceilings, floors, these common elements which you use in every drawing. So let's just give you an example here on the wall command. So what I've actually done here is created a wall construction that is one I would perhaps typically use on a regular basis. A neat little way of making it more accessible is to put a number at the beginning of the name, because you'll see that a lot of the existing ones here, they all start with letters. So if yours has got a number on the front, then it will actually jump to the top of that list, just making it quicker and easier to find. So you may well wish to set up a few wall types that you are very likely to use, or if you're thinking ones that are already there and there's two or three there that you think those are ones I would use frequently, then you may just wish to change their name and again put a number in the front of them so it moves them to the top of the list to save you time with scrolling through. And like I said, that is something you should then look at doing with your roof, your ceiling, and your floor constructions, so that you do get a comprehensive group of preset elements to save you time.